Wednesday the 3rd of August, just after midday, and the temperature's pushing 30 degrees now, and the plants are just starting to flag a little bit. I've done all the first lot of disbudding, which I'll run you through, and they've all had another feed of Tomerite. And there's the spoils there, 20 empty litres of Tomerite. The plant's looking good, the buds are starting to come, and after the bud take, I managed to get a few more of some varieties than I was hoping. Now if you're trying to grow a few plants and aim at one show, then this would be about perfect for the August bank holiday. We've got a plant here of Mary's Germander, 16-17 up for me, and pretty much every shoot has been secured as a bud, so that whole plant is going to flower within a few days, probably about 5 days of itself. More for me, a plant like this where we've secured probably 4 or 5, maybe 6 buds of the 16-17, and the rest are still to come, is better. And on a batch of 40 plants, there's a lot of flowers to come, and there's no point trying to have them all out at the same time. Hopefully you can see this. Now normally when I do my buds, I divide the number of flowers on each variety by three takes. This year I was going to go to 4, just to ideally start a little earlier and maybe go to New Forest, finish by Surrey, which is sort of give me a 3-week flowering period. This year, because the buds aren't there in huge numbers, I'm sort of doing it in reverse. So there, Canora Valentine, on the 1st of the 8th I secured 10, leaving me 60. The number on the left is how many plants. Challenger is a bit disappointing, I only secured 14, 146 left to take. Hillcrest Seedling 15, Hillcrest Hilton, just one I'm growing 5 of, got 12, left 13. Candy, just over 25, Trooper Dan 5, Canora Jubilee, I took none. Susan Carey 10, PJ Beauty, got a good number of that, about right, 73, leaving 167. That's about just under a third. Nose Tricia, just the one, but the rest are coming. House Mascot 21 out of 54, only really want that for the early shows. Oakwood Goldcrest managed to get 66, so about a quarter. Winholm Dying, a little bit disappointing, only got 50, leaving 510 still to come. Mary's Germander was about right, had a total of 640 to take, of possibles, managed 170, leaving 470 to come, and that was about right. I wanted about a quarter. Dave's Choice 80, Rycroft Jan 85, and then a few odds and sods down there. Gives me a total of about 640 taken, 3,200 left to take. Now the reason I do this, one, it gives me a guide just to know what's left out there and what's to come, and also from this I'll get a rough idea of what varieties I'll have for the first shows, and I'll start making my entries now for the shows based on what I've secured. Taken on the first, over a couple of days I just finished the miniatures this morning, being the 3rd. That should give me about 630 flowers over the bank holiday weekend. Sounds a lot, probably is a lot, but that's potentially 3 shows or 3 van loads I'd like out of that. So I'll keep recording them until they're gone, and so I should know what's coming and when.